2 cups fresh spinach. 1 can 14 ounces artichoke hearts drained and chopped. 1 cup cream cheese softened. 1/2 cup sour cream. 1/2 cup mayonnaise. 1 cup shredded mozzarella cheese. 1/2 cup grated Parmesan cheese. 2 cloves garlic minced. Half a teaspoon salt. 1/4 of a teaspoon black pepper. Set your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit 190 degrees Celsius. If using fresh spinach, sauté it in a pan with a little olive oil until wilted. Let it cool, then chop it finely. In a mixing bowl, combine the cream cheese, sour cream, and mayonnaise. Mix until smooth and creamy. Stir in the chopped spinach, artichoke hearts, mozzarella, parmesan, minced garlic, salt, and pepper. Mix well. Spread the mixture evenly in an oven-safe dish. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes, or until the top is golden and bubbly. Let it cool for a few minutes, then serve warm with tortilla chips, toasted baguette slices, or fresh vegetables.